Supercharge the power of Sales Navigator with Skrapp Email Finder and find the professional email addresses of your leads with just a few clicks. Here's how simple it is. First, download the Skrapp extension to your Chrome browser and log into your account. Then, anytime you are visiting a Sales Navigator lead list, simply click on the Export with Email Finder button that shows up at the top of your page. Your export options will then appear in a small window. You can choose which list to save your contacts to, how many pages to include in your search by moving the slider, and finally, if you would like to save your leads' email addresses or not. After a few seconds, all your leads will be saved in your Skrapp dashboard. You can also run the same operation from your search results pages. Once you launch your search, click on the Export with Email Finder button, choose your list, then save your leads. If you are looking for the contact information of a specific lead, all you need to do is visit their profile, then click on the Skrapp extension icon from your toolbar. A small window with your contact's information will then instantly show up. Their name, their company, job title, location, and of course their email address are then available. You can either save this contact to one of your lists or send them an email directly. When going back to your dashboard, you will find all those contacts saved to your list, ready to be accessed at any time. Go ahead, give it a try and boost your outreach pipeline today.